Bring a unique blend of farmhouse charm and crystal elegance to your home with this 52-inch flush mount ceiling fan with light and pull chain. This low-profile fan chandelier is perfect for your bedroom or living room. Enjoy quiet and efficient air circulation from the 5 reversible blades and quiet AC motor. The super silent AC motor runs smoothly with no noise and delivers strong airflow. The 5 reversible blades provide cooling downward wind in summer and comforting upward airflow in winter to enhance warmth and save energy. This larger size and widely applicable 52-inch black fan is extra large, covering rooms up to 450 square feet. It's ideal for a variety of larger spaces, including living rooms, dining rooms, bedrooms, offices, shops, and even outdoor patios or garages. It is designed to meet the demands of a larger space. The flush-mounted design and pull chain feature makes this low-profile fan suitable for lower ceilings, maximizing space utility. Conveniently, you use the classic pull cord switch to control both the LED light and the fan settings. The fan boasts dual finish blades in black and white, made of high-quality plywood for sturdy, long-lasting use. Their smooth surface adds a modern touch to your space, allowing you to pick the color that best fits your decor. Most functional components of this fan have been pre-assembled, making it easy to install within an hour. For safety, we suggest installation by a professional electrician. Ready to enhance your large space with this stylish, functional fan? If you find this product and want to get the best price and discount, check out this item by the link in the description right now. Get this unique farmhouse crystal fan today.